Craftsman on a white oak handle. Custom made by Tom Joyner. Handcrafted. Yeah, 3.5 pound Craftsman. Let's try it in some Granfer. Oh, goes right through. Woo! Feels really good. Really good in the hand. Let's see if it'll pick up a piece of wood. Yep. And you don't have to hit it real super hard to get it to pick it up. Right? Split it. Split it. Let's almost split that one. Let me grab a bigger piece. Let's try a bigger piece. Huh? That's pretty sweet, Tom. This axe feels really, really nice. Doesn't stick real bad. Super nice. Look at that, Tom. Nice. Boy, that is nice, Tom. Wow. That thing splits like crazy. Boy, that's nice. Makes quick work of a piece of Granfer, that's for sure. Wow. Tom does amazing work. Tom is a huge support for our community and a huge, giant supporter, and has done so much for this channel. I can't even explain it. Handles like this don't come along every day, you know. Axes like this and craftsmanship like this. It's just unbelievable. What a beautiful piece of craftsmanship, of art. I look at it kind of as art because every handle is different. Beautiful palm swells, great design, great haft. It's just unreal. Tom builds a dandy axe. Thank you so much, Tom. I truly appreciate it. Anyway, Tom, this axe is awesome. Look at that. That's 3.5 pounds. That's 3.5 pounds. Let's look at it. 3.5 pound Craftsman. Got a nice pole on it. Tom's got a nice shine on it. 3.5 pound. What a beautiful axe. And as you can see, I'm not swinging for the fences with this. You just read the wood, right? Must be a knot there somewhere. Let's try. Let's try the flick with it. I'll get another piece of wood. Flick's nice. Let's go over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Looks like a champ. Flick. 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 But it split, see? See that? Yep. What a beautiful axe, Tom. Wow. It's a dandy. Sticks. Picks. Splits. Right? Huh? Picks it up. And splits it. Boy, it's got great action again, Tom. Just the curve in it. Something about it. I don't know, Tom, you got it figured out, buddy. For the way the head goes on and all that kind of stuff, you got all that figured out. To get that whip action, the Adirondack is the whippiest. The whip in the Adirondack is unbelievable. But this is similar to that. Let's split one more big one, huh? Stay. Good axe. See? Didn't take long to train it either. Stayed right there, huh? Comes out nice. That one's got some knots in it, boys and girls. Thanks, everybody. Love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned. Beautiful.